that is. 2023. That makes you 21. Get your facts straight.
On November 30th, 2023, officers responded to a Target store call regarding suspected shoplifting. This case became remarkable when a 21-year-old suspect insisted she was only 13 years old to escape arrest. To understand how a simple retail visit became a 5-charge cascade, we return to the moment officers first made contact.
No, I went to the regular register and she scanned me out with the regular register. I had to go to 2 different registers.
I know you did. I was watching you the whole time. It's okay.
So then what's the problem? I'm not going in there. Yo, can I have the stuff that I'm not going in there. What the? Wow, I'm only 13 years old. You can't do this without my parents' permission. On top of that,
Yeah, I mean, you have an issue with the scanning machine?
no, I went to the regular register and she scanned me out with the regular register. I didn't have an issue. She fixed it for me.
Who'd you come with?
Why does that matter?
Because there's 2 of you guys. That's
Yeah,
why it
because she
matters.
came and brought me the rest of the money.
Yeah, so who'd you come with? That way we
She
can
brought me
start
the
there.
rest of the money. Do you want to come talk to the lady that checked me out?
No, I want you to answer my question.
Let's go
Who'd
talk
you
to
come
the
with?
lady that checked me out, please, because I didn't
We'll get there.
take
We'll
anything.
get
I
there.
just literally had to
Eventually,
go
but
to the
who'd you come
second
with?
register, and she helped me with the second register.
Who'd you come with?
Like, the person helped me at the regular register.
We'll get there. Who'd you
Why
come
does that
with?
matter?
Because you need to answer my question. So I
Like,
need
she
to know where
has,
she's at.
it's my friend. She has to go to her kids today. It's her kid's birthday today. That's the reason why I came here. Can we come talk to the register? Because she's literally just helped me through the register. I don't see what the problem is.
Alright, so you can walk through this, officer. We're gonna go back in the store. I'm gonna grab your shopping cart. Cool?
What?
Here, go back to the front of the store. We'll go talk to them.
We're gonna go talk.
Go talk to them.
We're gonna go talk until we get out and you scan everything and you pay for everything.
And then, hold on, slow down.
I'm going to find the lady.
No, we're gonna go right here.
I'm going to find the
No,
lady.
you're gonna come over here. Come over here now.
I can't ask the lady that just helped me at the register.
We're gonna go right here and talk to them.
You're gonna be facing me.
Let's go. We're trying to be cool with you. Come on.
Look, there she is right there.
No.
Excuse me. Can you please tell the officer that you helped me for these people? Yeah. Everything was fine, right?
Yeah, she paid for everything.
Okay, we gotta talk to somebody over here, and then we'll get things sorted out.
Which one she didn't scan?
Pretty much, so the vacuum, the Legos, this, and this stuff in here.
I had to go to 2 different registers.
I know you did. I was watching you the whole time. It's okay.
So then what's the problem?
You didn't pay.
What do you mean I didn't pay?
Yeah. So gift pack is probably gonna be these. The water at the bottom, and then Wonder Shop is gonna be this bag. Yep.
And the one she didn't pay for is
All these, this bath mat.
Dude, I got the Legos at the first one. I got the Legos at the first register.
No, you
Yes, I did. And she finished helping me scan me out.
Where's the receipt for that?
I don't know, it's probably there still. If you go look.
Why do you have a receipt for this and not have the receipt for the rest?
Because I had to go to 2 different registers.
Whatever. We're gonna go in here, alright?
I'm not going in there. Yo, can I have the stuff that I'm not going in there. What the dude, I didn't do anything wrong. What are you doing? Get your hands off of me.
Stop.
I didn't do anything to you. Get your hands off of me. Get your hands off of me. Get your hands off of me. Get them off of me. I didn't do anything. I paid for this stuff. Get them off of me. Get off of me. I'm only, wow, I'm only 13 years old. You can't do this without my parents' permission. I'm only 13 years old. You can't do this without my parents' permission. I'm only 13 years old. I'm only a 13-year-old. Dude, I'm literally only 13 years old, bro. You can't do this. Can I call my parents?
You can in a second. Sit down.
Because my parents won't let me. They're not here, and you can't do this to me.
You're ready to cry. So, knock it off.
Not if I'm only 13 years old. I'm underage. I'm underage.
Okay. Is your ID in your purse?
No, it's not.
Where is it?
I don't have it.
So you're not underage then?
Can I just take the stuff I paid for and leave?
No, we're beyond that.
You told me to be cool with you.
We would have been doing that if you were cool. And
How is that being cool, yo? Like, what the? Like, the lady that just told you that she helped me scan everything out. She just told you that.
She helped you scan for the things that you paid for, yeah.
What's the car she was out with?
It's gonna be this purple Scion that's sitting right out here. So if you go
Dude,
out
she
our
literally has to go
stores,
pick up her kids, bro. She
our
literally
drive-up
it's her kid's
section is
birthday
right
today.
here, and it's just right
And
across.
she has to go pick them up.
So she's behind a silver Tacoma.
She literally has to go pick up her kids that are like little kids.
Hello, did you come with a
My friend?
friend?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. You're not in trouble, but obviously she's in trouble. I mean, I guess you shoplifted. But what is her name?
I don't answer questions. I'm sorry.
Okay, you got identification because you actually went in there. And you guys both came together? Huh?
I went to the store to pick up her money.
I'm not asking if you went into the store. I'm asking if you guys both came together.
So there's my driver's license.
Is it yes or no?
I don't
There's
answer
cameras.
questions, sir. There's fine, and that's fine. You can see on camera then that I
You
came
are
into
so
the
being
store.
uncooperative right now. Why is that?
I just
I'm
didn't
trying to be
hear
cool
you.
with you, but you give me a hard time.
But sir, I don't answer questions. Okay, then I'll just be stopped. I gave you my ID. Is there anything else I can provide you with? You want my insurance registration? I do have that.
No, this is not a traffic stop. This is a criminal offense investigation, okay?
Okay.
So you can sit there. If you're not going to answer questions, then shush.
I will, and I will.
Can we get an estimate on the
Yeah. For that vacuum, I didn't even know that was down there. I was gonna go like that. Sorry. I didn't even know that vacuum was down there. I just now seen it. Just now seen that the vacuum was down there. All this stuff is still here. I don't understand the problem. You guys got this stuff. Cool. Why can't I leave?
Alright, let's start with your last name, your first name, and your date of birth. Let's start there. What's your last name?
Can I please leave?
No.
I didn't leave with anything. I
Yes,
didn't
you did.
steal anything.
What's your last name?
Can I please leave,
You're gonna
please?
get another charge.
Please,
What's your last
just let
name?
me leave,
No.
please.
What's your last name?
Please, just let me leave.
What is your last
I'm
name?
just a little kid, bro.
Okay,
I'm
then I'm gonna
underage.
charge you with another crime.
Dude, I'm
Underage.
Yeah, that is. I'm
2023. That makes you 21. Get your facts straight.
Dude, I just, dude, I want to go. I'm sorry, yo, I'm sorry.
On top of that,
Please leave me alone. Please let me go. Please.
don't stop.
Please let me alone. I'm just
911.
please. I'm just a little kid.
Stop.
I've never been to jail. I've never been to jail, please.
Stop.
Please, I've never been to jail. Please leave me alone. Please, Nick, help me. Nick, help me. Please.
Okay, I'm gonna forget this thing.
Grab it.
Please, Nick, help me. I'm just a little kid. I'm just a little
Unless you want to be involved, go to your vehicle.
I'm just a little kid.
Get her sleeve on it.
It's like not going to happen.
Get her sleeve on it. Hold her. Stop.
Please. I'm just a little girl, please. Call my parents. Please call my parents.
Chill.
I don't want to go to jail. I've never been to jail. Please don't let me go to
Did
jail.
anybody even say you're going to jail?
Please, I don't want to go to jail. Please, I don't pay for all of it. Can I pay for the stuff? Please, can I pay for it? Can I please pay for the stuff? Oh my God, you're hurting me.
Stand up. Act like an adult. Stand up. Front of this car right here. Go.
Can you grab that for me, please?
Yes, I got
Thank
it.
you.
I don't want to go to jail, please.
Nobody even said you're going to jail. Put this shit on.
Let's check her first.
Stay right there. Spread your feet. Spread your feet.
You said I could pay for it. I'll pay for all this stuff. Can I please pay for it?
Do you have anything hidden on you?
Can I please pay for it?
Huh?
No.
Okay.
Can I please pay for this stuff?
Quit moving your hands.
I'll pay for it, please. No, I'll pay for it, please. Can I pay for the stuff, please?
We'll get there. Get in the car.
Please, can I buy it, please?
Sit down and put your feet in now.
Don't buy it for it. I'll pay for it,
Go.
please. I
Watch
have
your
the
feet.
money to pay for it.
Watch your feet.
Please, can I please?
I've never tackled anyone. That was cool.
I was laughing because I'm like, she's really 13? Damn.
I know what kind of skincare, right?
That girl was laughing. I was like, did you see her? She got her. And I was like, I was watching her.
The security officer opened the door and like left the door.
She slip her
open.
cuffs?
Yeah. Slip the cuff, but when the security officer opened the door, she f***ing bolted.
Yeah. I was talking to Sana. I look up and I heard screaming. I was like, oh shit.
Yeah.
Every action we just witnessed carries specific legal weight. Let us break down what American law says about each moment. Under most state penal codes, petty theft requires 4 elements, all of which must be proven beyond reasonable doubt. The elements are intentional taking property of another, intent to permanently deprive and value below the felony threshold. Critically, the crime is legally complete the moment the suspect crosses the store threshold with unpaid merchandise. Selective scanning at self-checkout is not merely suspicious behavior. It is direct evidence of the required criminal intent. The initial parking lot detention was authorized under Terry v. Ohio from 1968. Terry permits officers to briefly detain a person based on reasonable suspicion supported by specific and articulable facts. Loss prevention's observation supplied this suspicion, and the inventory check elevated it to probable cause for arrest. The tackle used during the second escape attempt must be evaluated under Graham v. Connor from 1989. Graham established the objective reasonableness standard, judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the scene. 3 factors apply: offense severity, immediate threat, and whether the suspect is actively resisting or fleeing. Here, the third factor was overwhelmingly present, as the suspect defeated her handcuffs and was in active flight. Hard, empty hand control, ranked at level 4 on the use of force continuum, was clearly proportionate to the immediate threat. The friend's refusal to identify herself sits at the intersection of the Fifth Amendment and state stop and identify statutes. The Supreme Court upheld these statutes in Hiibel v. Nevada from 2004. Currently, 24 American states legally require lawfully detained individuals to provide their name upon officer request. Failure to comply can result in a separate misdemeanor charge for obstruction or concealing identity. The suspect's false claim of being 13 creates additional liability under false personation statutes. In most jurisdictions, lying about identity to a peace officer is itself a misdemeanor. Additionally, slipping the handcuffs while in custody may constitute escape from custody under many state penal codes. This transforms a single misdemeanor into a potential cascade of 5 criminal charges, dramatically expanding sentencing exposure. With the legal framework in mind, we return to the scene to see how this encounter finally resolves.
We're probably.
Fine, you can 22 minutes, not insane.
I'm not going anywhere, I promise you. If you need to.
So the only reason I asked is because we need to know who she is, because we don't want to burg her and charge for concealing identity. So I just need to find out who she is, because she's going to go to jail for concealing identity, and we don't need to go that route.
I think that's her though, right? Not technically, like, you know what I mean? That would be up to her, if anything, right? Not me.
Yeah, I mean, if you're a friend,
If
I
she
mean,
feels
obviously
like-
a friend, we're going to help her out
if
to
she
not
feels
go
like
that
there's
route.
something- She feels like that's what. That's up to her, like,
That's my girlfriend, dude. Like, tackled her.
That was Smoker they tackled?
Yeah, dude. I don't know where she was.
Well, she got, they're saying that she got locked. They're saying she shoplifted.
Oh my god. Are you kidding me, dude?
Wait, you know her?
Yeah, that's my girlfriend.
The one that's in the plate?
Yeah, the girl they just had outside. I was like walking up, like, whoa, what the f?
Okay, so you guys all came together?
Yeah.
Okay.
They're not gonna take her to jail, right?
Well, she's going to jail.
Oh man, are you serious?
Yeah, this could all been avoided
Yeah.
if she would have been cooperative, but she's not being cooperative. What's your girlfriend's name?
Danny? Huh? Danny?
Danny? Yeah. What's Danny's last name? Be right back with you guys, okay?
No problem.
Hello, I'm Sergeant Munoz. We're gonna get you out and we're gonna take your pictures real quick, okay? You've already had one incident, we don't want another, okay? Okay, thank you. I appreciate you. Let's keep it. Stand here.
Okay, go ahead and turn facing that way.
Please, I don't want to go to jail.
And then face the door.
This way. Towards me.
Please don't take me to jail,
Okay.
please.
Okay, what injuries do you have?
My rib hurts.
Your rib?
My rib.
Okay, do you have
Which
any?
side?
My
Which side?
right side.
This side?
Okay. Any other injuries?
My head.
Okay, where at on your head? Is it up here?
Top of my head.
Directly on top of your head?
My forehead.
Your forehead?
I'm sorry, guys. I'm so sorry.
Any injuries on hands or anything?
We'll take pictures anyways.
I'm so sorry.
Okay.
I'm so sorry.
Do the other hand?
I don't want to go to jail. I'm not going to jail. I'm not going to jail. Please stop. Please leave me alone. Please, Nick, help me. Nick, help me. Please.
Grab it.
Please, Nick, help me. I'm so sorry.
Now, with the full encounter documented, we can grade each party and extract the essential lessons. On grading, officers earn a B+, with points deducted for unprofessional post-incident joking captured on Bodycam. The primary suspect earns an F, having converted a minor infraction into multiple charges through willful noncompliance. The friend who refused identification earns a D+, having misapplied constitutional protections she clearly did not understand. The cooperating boyfriend earns a B, providing a textbook contrast to obstruction and its escalating legal consequences. Target's loss prevention earns an A- for accurate observation and proper escalation without vigilante intervention. Now for the essential lessons this case offers anyone who encounters law enforcement in similar circumstances. First, cooperation at the earliest opportunity almost always produces the mildest possible legal outcome. Second, fabricating your age or identity to police officers is not a defense. It is an additional crime. Third, the right to remain silent does not include the right to refuse identification during a lawful detention. Fourth, resisting arrest often carries more serious consequences than the underlying offense that prompted the encounter. Fifth, bodycam footage captures everything, including your best legal defense or your most damaging admission. Let us know your thoughts on this analysis in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on police-court interactions.